how to buy or sell crypto for profits with spot trading. Now, for this, first of all, we have to understand what spot trading is. Spot trading is the most common way to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, and it involves buying crypto at the current market price, which is spot price, and selling it later when the price rises. You also, first of all, must choose an exchange or a medium to do spot trading. Now, just for this tutorial, I've been selecting Binance, which is the most popular and the common one. Here, if I go to trade, and here if I go to spot trading, you can see buy and sell on the spot market with advanced tools. So I'll be able to go to that particular website. Now after that, in order to basically spot trade crypto, like I said, first you must choose a reputable exchange like Binance. You can even choose Coinbase or Kraken. Then you must also fund your account. So you must have and deposit some type of fiat currency like USD or other cryptocurrencies. Then after that, you have to simply place an order. So choose the cryptocurrency that you wish to trade and place the market order, buying or selling at the current market price or a limit order. Then you must also track your portfolio's performance and adjust your strategy as needed. Some of the tips for trading on spot trading and for success is to basically start small to minimize risk, learn technical analysis and understand these charts, indicators and patterns to predict price movements. And you must also develop a trading plan to define your risk tolerance like entry and exit points and profit targets. Then you must also stay informed with market news and events that could affect your cryptocurrency prices. You can also practice risk management, use stop loss orders to limit potential losses. This way you will be able to buy and sell crypto for profits with spot trading, but this is just a beginner's guide. If you want to learn more in detail, you might subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.